Thinking about making your events more sustainable? Let me tell you about ISO 20121, the global gold standard for sustainable event management. Here's the deal. ISO 20121 isn't just another certificate to hang on the wall. It's a full system that helps you plan and run events in a way that's good for the planet, great for people, and smart for your bottom line. First, it's about environmental stewardship. That means using resources efficiently, cutting down on waste, and making smart choices that reduce your event's footprint. Next, it focuses on social responsibility. We're talking about creating inclusive, safe experiences that make a positive impact on everyone involved, your team, your guests, and the community. And of course, economic viability. Because let's be real, your events need to make financial sense and support long-term growth. Getting ISO 20121 certified shows the world you're serious about sustainability. It builds trust with clients, gives you a big edge over competitors, and opens doors to new business. More and more people want to work with partners who share their values, and this certification proves you walk the talk. If you're ready to boost your market position and attract more opportunities, USQC can help you get certified with audits and training tailored to your needs. No bloated fees, no unnecessary extras, just real support to help you shine. Ready to put your event management on the map? ISO 20121 is your ticket. Check out USQC for more info, and take your next step toward truly sustainable events.